Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So today we are going to be making a shampoo, a very effective herbal shampoo which will treat dandruff, flaky scalp, oily scalp. So it's a herbal shampoo which we are going to make here. Now here in my water phase I have taken my blend of herbal water in which I have some hibiscus, I have lemon, I have added some neem leaves. So all this gives very good cleansing effect to your hair, as well as it helps to reduce dandruffs and itchy flaky scalp. It reduces the oil production on the scalp, so you get a lot of hair care benefits with this. Along with that, here I have taken a blend of my surfactants, very good for the scalp, soothing, gentle, mild surfactants to clean the scalp. And here I have my oil phase ingredients. Now I am going to be sharing a basic shampoo formulation for beginners who would like to give a try and make SLS paraben free shampoos at home. But for these more advanced formulations, y'all can connect with me on the WhatsApp number that's given in the description box. We make all these during our workshops. So we'll quickly begin with the making of the product. I'll go ahead and quickly heat my oil phase and my water phase ingredients. Okay, so I've gone ahead and heated my water phase and my oil phase ingredients, and we'll go ahead and quickly combine both of them together. And we'll give this a blend. Okay, so I've gone ahead and added both the phases together, and this is how we have our solution here. So I'm just going to go ahead and wait till the solution cools down, and then we will add our surfactant phase in this. Okay, so now the solution has cooled down, and I'll go ahead and quickly add my surfactant phase into this. And we'll go ahead and give this a gentle mix. Now once you add your surfactant phase, please make sure you are not over mixing it, not using a blender, otherwise you will have a lot of air bubbles in your shampoo. So with a very gentle hand, we'll go ahead and mix this. Okay, so I'll go ahead and add my preservative here now to this. And my fragrance blend, and then we'll go ahead and give it a final mix. Okay, so I have gone ahead and added a little green color to this just to give it a nice herbal look, and our final shampoo is ready here. If you can see the lovely fall, the lovely thickness of the shampoo, and this has excellent lather as well. I will show you the lather that we get from the shampoo. So I'll just take a little bit of the shampoo here, and I'll show you the lather that we get. So this is the lovely lather that you will get with these shampoos that we make. They are very good for the scalp, to nourish your scalp, to give you a very clean and clear scalp, to remove all the dirt and impurities and give you very healthy and shiny hair. And if you like what I share with you all, if you want me to share much more videos with you all, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone.